For the formative assessment retake, you can refer back to these problems to help you if you're still unsure of the problems. So for number 1, we had 10 apples for every 15 apples, so the derived unit would be cost per apple. In number 2, it was 35 yards in 10 seconds, so the derived unit would be yards per second. Okay, the rate would be 3.5 yards per second. Okay, yards and feet are fundamental measurements, whereas feet per second is the speed, or it's the derived measurement, the rate. Number 3, we had 75 miles per hour, 75 miles per 3 hours, I'm sorry. When you divide those, you get 25 miles per hour. And number 4, Aaron had 8 beats in 10 seconds, so 8 beats per 1 second, where Ben's heart rate ended up being 0.83 beats per second. Okay, fundamental can be directly observed. Remember, think of timing yourself, dribbling the soccer ball or measuring the length of the basketball court. You were actually doing that. Okay, you could physically measure that. Fundamental. Derived, however, is calculated from fundamental. Think of calculating your speed of dribbling the soccer ball. Okay, you could find your distance you ran divided by your time, which will give you your speed, but you can only calculate that from the fundamental. Please revisit these problems, as I know I went through the video fast. You may ask questions as you're doing so.